Hello, this is Dylan with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and we're on an all-new 2026 Sea Ray 320 Dancer. Come check it out. I want to show you guys a few of my favorite features on this 320 Dancer. One of my absolute favorites is the access to the sun. I'm a big fan of the sun, and also I know there's a lot of people that aren't, so there's a lot of capabilities to keep you guys protected from the sun, like this extended shade. If you come up here, I'm a big fan of this love seat captain's chair. A lot of you captains have a co-captain that like to be a captain as well, so you guys can do that very easily right here. If you come back to the back of the boat, you've got a backrest that can audible. If you have people that are back here swimming, people hanging out inside the boat, you can have everybody all together while you're out on the water. Emily, if you come up here, one of the coolest things about a 320 Dancer is the ability to go up into the bow and hang out. The old cabin cruisers used to have full fiberglass, but now we've got sun pads up front. There's also another really cool feature I want to show you guys. So right here, we have a windlass anchor, but even better than that, we have a quick gauge here. So you can go back here, you can see how deep you are, and you can come up here and you can drop your anchor, and this thing's going to tell you exactly how deep you are. So if you're 20 foot deep, you want to put this thing out 23, 24 foot, throw it in reverse, set your anchor. You can keep up with all that right here digitally. Some of the best boats made around the world don't even have this. So compliments to Sea Ray on having a quick release anchor up here. No cowboy hat today, but I got my booties on, so that's all that matters. So down here in the cabin of the 320, you have plenty of room to turn this V couch into a bed. And then when you look under the deck of your main floor in your cockpit, you've got two twins, or you can make that into a full. The bathroom, we've got a full head with the option to have a shower as well, and we do have a shower with this model. Plenty tall enough. I'm 6'4", and I can fit in there very easily. My last favorite feature on this 320 Dancer is the power swim platform back here. Especially here in Texas, we like to anchor down and hang out on the back of the boat, so you've got a power step here. Those are my favorite features of this 320 Dancer. Please come out here to Pier 121, MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and see more about this 320 Dancer.